Hello, guys, welcome back. Today, I would like to tell you two parts. First of all, the first part, I would like to tell you about my birthday. My birthday is on January 27. I plan to celebrate with my friends in the office, and then my mother in law and I usually cook special lunch on my birthday, and we call the tradition as sedekahan. Before I share the lunch to my friends in the office, we pray to God, such as we ask to healthy, long life, happiness, and we wish our dreams become true. And the second part is I would like to tell you about a special day in our family. Yup, our special day is Idul Fitri. Idul Fitri is a significant Islamic holiday marking the end of Ramadan. As we know, Ramadan is around 30 days for us doing fasting. And it's all about family gatherings, sharing meals, and giving to charity. I think that's all. I think that's all about my birthday and a special day in my family. Thank you so much.